What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And before we jump into the video, I want to say a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all my subscribers, all the viewers, and everyone in this beautiful world. I'm a little late to this. It's currently the 27th of December 2018 of the recording of this video. So Christmas was 2 days ago, but I still want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. So let's jump in to the video. Alright, so here we got a beautiful, awesome power bank right here. This is called the Zendue X6 portable charger. Now this was recommended to me by a commenter actually. He actually said I should start checking out some power delivery chargers, and he definitely recommended the Zendue X6. So shout out to who you are. I believe it's Rico Vi, I believe. Sorry if I got your name all wrong, but thank you for the recommendation. I can't wait to check out this awesome battery pack, guys. So let's take a look at the box. So right here, you guys have been staying for that for about a minute now. So that's kind of how the charger looks. That's the name right there. It is packing a whopping 20,100 mAh, and it is with USB-C power delivery. So right here, it's a USB-C 45 watt power delivery, and we got a Zen 2 Plus. 2 is a QC dot. I can't see that. Okay, 0.0 compatibility. So we got a bunch of stuff right here. We have 3 different modes. You got the X Charge low power mode, the USB Type C PD input and output mode, and the USB mode with pass-through charging, which is kind of cool. To this side here, what we got? We got the Zendue X6 versatile portable charger and hub, and to the back of the box we have a whole bunch of stuff. So we have another color that the charger does come in. I mean, the power pack comes in. I think I picked up the black one, but it also comes in white for everyone out there who might want to try white. And just looking at this picture right here, we see a Nintendo Switch, what looks to be some Bluetooth headphones, and I'm pretty sure that's a MacBook. So if this is referencing that this power bank can charge all of those, then this is a pretty awesome power bank. Some compatible devices, we got the mobile phone, new MacBooks. I don't know why they're so specific on new MacBooks, but new MacBooks, maybe because it's Type C. MP3 player, cameras, tablets, game consoles, and e-readers. And then it features the USB hub, and I'm not going to read all that, but you guys can see it right there. And we have some specifications at the bottom there, and that's pretty much the battery pack. Oh, and to this, how we have what's inside the box. We get the pack, we got a USB cable, a cloth pouch for carrying it, and of course, a user manual. Alright, so let's unbox this and see what goodies we have inside. Alright, so we went ahead and cut open all the seals. We're just gonna flip this open really nicely. Got a little pull out right there. Come on. Gonna just put that right there. If it stands up, is it gonna stand? There we go. So we have the cable is right at the top of there. Let's take out the cable. Matter of fact, let's just take everything out. Pouch is at the bottom there. Bang. And then the pack is like right in the middle. Then you got some reading material. So let's take a quick look at this. So we have style or durability, choose both. There's all the various battery packs that they offer. A little bit of reading stuff right there. And oh, so you got a 24-month warranty and customer care. So fill out everything right here, and I believe you just, what it says, you have any questions, da 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 da. Alright, cool. So some reading material here. You guys can go ahead and make sure to read that if you want to take advantage of the warranty. I'm assuming this is the user manual. Okay, alright, good. So make sure to read that. Or if you find this video, you might not need to read that. Alright, we do have some stickers. Are these stickers? Yep, they are stickers, guys. That's cool that they include some stickers. So we have enjoy the ride. We have winter camp, so some pretty good uses for this battery pack. Then we have business. Maybe you're a business person, you're going to be traveling a lot. On the foot, maybe you're an explorer or an adventurer. Camping, maybe you just like the outdoors, chilling with some friends, camping out. And then we have go camping, so maybe you're camping out at various spots. Maybe you're an adventure across America. Alright, so some pretty nice stickers. I like them. It's a nice little touch there, and that's all the reading materials at least. Let's check out the pouch. Nice material right here. It doesn't feel, you know, like one of those cheap clothy materials. I don't even know what would that be called, but it's a nice pouch. It feels pretty nice. The battery pack is gonna fit in there really nicely. Boom, there we go. Might want to center it up a little bit, but you guys get the gist of it. The carrying pouch is very beneficial and useful. And then here we have I'm assuming this is going to be the charge it back up cable. Alright, so I'm not going to open it all the way, but this looks, actually, let's open it up all the way. So this looks approximately maybe a foot. So this is about a foot long, and we have a Type-C on this end, a USB on this end, and then plugged into that is another Type-C. So if you have a MacBook, you can probably use this included cable to run it between your MacBook and the charger. And if it's something else, then boom, we have a regular USB to Type-C cable. Alright, cool. So that's a pretty nice cable. And right here we have the battery pack. So this is a pretty nice looking battery pack. Has a good weight to it. Let me go grab I'm gonna grab 2 battery packs I already featured in the channel. Link to these will be in the description below, just to give you guys a size comparison. So this is my Anker 20,100 milliamp pack. I love this pack. I've been using this for a long time. It's a little bit dirty, but just so you guys can get a quick size comparison. There we go. There we go. It's a pretty thick battery pack. Not quite as long, but very, very thick. Why is it on? Shut off. Okay, we're probably gonna have to just turn it off really quick. Alright guys, and that's a quick size comparison with the 20,000 Anker battery pack, one of my favorite spec. If you guys want to check out the video on this, link is in the description below. And let's take another battery pack that I love to carry around with me and use. This is the Mophie Power Pack. Link to this video will also be in the description below in case you guys want to check out this battery pack. So quick size comparison. It's like quarter the size of the Zendue pack, and it's not as heavy, it's half the weight, but yeah, pretty cool size comparison. Alright guys, so hopefully now we're able to give you guys some perspective of how big this battery pack is and the size of it. Anyways, let's continue looking at it. So right here we have the logo Zendue with a button right here. Now that's going to be your power button, as well as the button you're going to use to switch between the various modes of the battery pack. But before we get into the mode, let's take a look at these ports right here. So we have 5 different ports. We have the one USB Type-C port. Now that's going to be responsible for charging up the battery pack, as well as when you're in USB hub mode, which is one of the modes. That's how you're going to connect it to your computer. And then we have 4 regular USB ports right here. One of them is green. Now this is the Zen Plus 2.0. Now this is only going to allow you up to 2.0A to charge up. So this is going to be the slowest outputting USB port right here. Probably going to want to use that to charge up any small electronics, like maybe like your headphones, some Bluetooth headphones, maybe a smartwatch, you know, anything small. And then we have the other 2 right here. Now this one, well, not the other 2. This one right there is the Zen Plus, and that one is going to go up to about 2.4. And then these 2 right here are going to be same function as this one, so they're going to go up to 2.4 as well, but it's also going to serve as a hub for your laptop, which is kind of cool, guys. And that's kind of everything on the pack, guys. Now let's check out all the different modes. So before we check out the modes real quick, I just want to say something about the USB-C power delivery. Now this thing is pretty awesome, guys. Now this thing is going to power deliver up to 45 watts, guys. Now that's going to be enough power to charge up your MacBook, iPhone, Nintendo Switch, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Now you're going to be using this little Type-C because MacBooks, Type-C, iPhones, or probably not Type-C, but it can output up to 45 watts. I know most Android or the newer high-end Androids, you're going to be Type-C in it, and then the Nintendo Switch Type-C as well, guys. So 45 watts for fast, it's just going to be insanely fast, guys. So just want to throw it out there. That's kind of probably why you want to buy this battery pack. Maybe you want to charge up your gadgets really, really fast. Boom, 45 watts. Boom, 0 to 100. In no time, you're good to go. Alright, let's check out the modes now. Alrighty, guys, so the first mode we're going to be taking a look at is the USB hub mode, guys. Now, the USB hub mode is self-explanatory. It pretty much just allows you to have more USB ports right here to utilize on your computer, which could be a great thing, guys, because some computers these days, or many computers that's being made now, barely have any USB port, guys, especially MacBooks. My girlfriend has a 12-inch MacBook, and the thing has just one Type-C port, guys. One, and she has to go buy a dongle. So maybe you're in the market for a USB battery pack, and you probably just got a new MacBook or a new laptop that just has one port. This is going to solve your port problem, guys. So you don't have to go out there and buy a separate dongle. Anyways, so the way you're going to put the battery pack into the USB hub mode gonna hit the button right there, turn it on. As long as you see the percentage, then you're gonna double click on it, 1 2, and then when you see that little H looking thing right there, now that's the USB hub. Now you must see that H right there, which stands for the hub mode, in order for you to utilize this hub. So if you plug in your pack and it's not connected, it's probably because it's not in hub mode, guys. So once again, the way you get into hub mode, turn the battery pack on, double click it, and then you double click it again to come out of the mode, and it's as simple as that, guys. Double click it once, go into mode, double click it back out, take it back out of the mode, and then you're into just the regular battery pack mode, guys. And that's how you go in and out of hub mode. And the second mode we're going to be taking a look at is the X charge mode, or what I like to say, mode X. So what you're going to use mode X for, now this is going to be for charging light accessories, not accessories guys, light devices. So anything like Bluetooth headphones or something small. So you're not gonna, you know, use the 45 power delivery watt crazy fast system to charge wireless headphone, guys, because it's probably going to destroy that battery. So that's why they have the USB charge mode, or mode X, to charge smaller devices, guys. Now the way you're going to do that is, so you're going to power on the pack, and then you're going to hold down the button for a couple seconds, about 10 seconds or so, and then you're going to see these, like a C and then a reverse C. It's supposed to be an X. It doesn't look like an X to me, but I guess that's the closest thing, you know, using this little screen right here. So once you see that blinking right there, you are now in USB charge mode, or mode X, and now you're able to charge smaller devices, guys. Headphones, smartwatches, MP3 players, just anything small, you're going to use that mode to charge up. And then once again, if you hold it down, it's just going to come out of that mode, and then boom, now you're out of the mode and back into the power delivery mode, or aka the regular charger mode, whatever you guys want to call it, guys. And that's the two modes that this charger have, with technically three. The regular power delivery mode for charging up normal electronics, your laptop, Nintendo DS, any smartphones, you know, anything that requires some crazy fast charging. That's the first mode. The second mode, you have the hub mode, which allows you to utilize these extra USBs here on your computer. And then the third and final mode is the X charge mode, guys. So I'm pretty sure I covered all the modes on there. The only thing left for you to do after using it up is just to charge this bad boy up, guys. Now, charging up is going to be easy. Make sure you have a very quick power brick to, you know, to shorten the charge times of the battery pack, and that's pretty much all you need, guys. Other than that, that is the Zendue X6 portable charger and hub, and I think that's where we're going to end the video. The purchase link will be in the description below in case you guys want to check out this battery pack. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, guys. Show some love. Show some love by hitting the like button. Comment if you guys have anything to say about this battery pack. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.